In question number 4, find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 22 cm. So you have to find in this question number 4, you have to find theta where radius is given, radius is 100 cm and arc of length 22 cm. Right? So you have to find theta. Theta equal to arc upon radius. In this question, arc is 22 and radius is 100 centimeter. So 22 means 11 upon 50. Rad means radian. So theta always comes in radian. So when radian convert into degree, we have to multiply by 180 upon pi. 180 upon pi. So it converts radian into degree. So 11 upon 50 multiply by 180 upon pi is 22 and 7 is go to numerator. So 0 cancel 0. 11 12 22, 2 divided by 8 9, so it comes 9 multiplied by 7 upon 5, so 9 7 just 63 upon 5 degree. In when you find degree, so you have to remove denominator, so 63 upon 5. So 5 divided by 63. 5 is 5. 1, 3, 5 is 10. Right? So you have to write like this: 12, 3 upon 5 or 12 plus 3 upon 5. Both are same. So 63 upon 5. So you have to write 12 degree plus 3 upon 5 degree, right? So degree convert into minute, you have to multiply by 60. So 12 plus 3 upon 5 multiply by 60, right? Minute. So 5, 12. So 12 3 is 36. So 12 degree and 36 minute. So answer is theta equal to 12 degree 36 minute. You have to write 1 degree equal to 60 minute. Okay. Then question number 5. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. In question number 5. Diameter equal to 40 centimeter. The length of the chord is given. Chord equal to 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc. You have to find minor arc. Right? This is A, B, O. Diameter is 40. This is center. So radius 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter and AB is chord 20 centimeter. Diameter 40. This is diameter 40. Half of half is 20 centimeter. This it is center O. Right? So ABC is a equilateral triangle because all three sides are same, in which AO equal to BO equal to radius of circle equal to 20 centimeter, and AB equal to chord which is 20 centimeter. So theta equal to L upon C, mean arc upon radius. In this question, theta is given in equilateral triangle. Theta is 60 degree. L, you have to find L, arc, and radius is 20 centimeter, right? In equilateral triangle, theta is 60 degree, because all angles in equilateral triangle, all angle will 60 degree. So theta is 60 degree, L upon L is arc and C is radius, means 20 centimeter given. When degree and theta is always in radian, so degree convert into radian, you have to multiply by pi upon 180. It convert into radian equal to arc upon 20 centimeter. So arc equal to 60 multiply by pi multiply by 20 upon 180, right? So arc equal to 60 20, 6 is 180, so that is 20 pi upon 3. Arc equal to 20 pi upon 3, or you have to solve pi equal to 22 upon 7 or direct this answer. Okay. In question number 6, in two circle arc of same length is there, subtended angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. So solution 6, in two circle are there, first, second, right? Two circle are there, so same length is same, L, this is always L, both are same. In question given, first is 60 degree, this is 60 degree and it is 75 degree, and this is R1 and this is R2. So you have to find the ratio of their radii R1 and R2. Okay. So in this question, using the formula is theta equal to L upon R, means arc upon radius, right? In first circle, this is first and this is second, C1, C2. In first circle, theta is 60 degree equal to L upon R1, right? 60 degree convert into radian, so 60 multiply by pi upon 180 equal to rad equal to L upon R1. This is first equation. Theta is always in radian, but in case 60 degree convert into radian, you have to multiply by pi upon 180. In second circle, theta equal to L upon R, theta is 75 degree, L upon R2. 75 degree, degree convert into radian, multiply by pi upon 180 rad equal to L upon R2, right? So dividing first and second equation, dividing equation first and equation second, right? You have to divide first equation by second equation. So first equation is 60 multiply by pi upon 180 rad upon 75 multiply by pi upon 180 rad equal to L upon R1, L upon R2, right? So pi upon 180, pi upon 180 cancel. L cancel. Then 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75. So in first part 4 come, in second part 5, and R1 R2. So this come R2 upon R1 4 upon 5, right? So R1 divided by ratio R2 equal to 5 ratio 4. So this is the ratio of R1 and R2, okay? Then question number 7, find the angle in radian. You have to find angle in radian through which a pendulum swing of its length 75 cm and a tip decreases an arc of length first 10 seconds. In question number 7, 3 part is there. A part, B part, C part is there. In A length is 75 centimeter. Length means radius 75 centimeter. Common. Radius is 75 centimeter. Radius is 75 centimeter. This is common. And the tip describe an arc of length. Arc of length means L equal to 10 centimeter. In this, L equal to 15 centimeter B part, and C is L equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, so you have to find theta. Theta and theta. In this is swing. Swing means this is radius, this is 75 centimeter common, and this is 10 centimeter. You have to find angle in radius. Same question is there, second part. This is theta, you have to find theta. This is 15 centimeter given, and this is 75 centimeter common. Third part is given. This is theta, you have to find theta in radian. This is 75 centimeter and this is 21 centimeter. You have to find theta. Okay, this is swing. How much swing? Okay, so theta equal to L upon R. Okay, so L is first part 10, R is 75 centimeter. So 5 here 10, 5 into 5, 5 here 25. So theta equal to 2 upon 15. Okay, radian, right? Then Second part, theta equal to L upon R. L is how much? 15. R is 75 centimeter. 15 5 ja 75. So theta equal to 1 upon 5 radian. Okay. Then third part, theta equal to L upon R. Theta equal to L is how much? 21 and R is common, that is 75 centimeter. So you have to cancel 3 7 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 50. That is radian. 7 upon 25 radian.